Number one, where did the rich man take his son one day? ଦିନେ ଧନୀ ଲୋକଟି ତାର ପୁଅକୁ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ନେଲା? One day the rich man took his son to the poor man who live in small huts down the hill. Number two, what did he have in his mind? ତାଙ୍କ ମନରେ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? The rich man had an intention in his mind to show his son his richness in contrast to the poor farmer. Number three, what does the word this stand for in the third line? How rich? ତୃତୀୟ ଧାଡ଼ିରେ this ଶବ୍ଦଟି କାହା ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହାର ହୋଇଛି? This refers to richness of the rich man in contrast to the poor farmer. Number four, what did the rich man think of it? ଧନୀ ଲୋକଟି ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ ଭାବିଥିଲେ? The rich man thought that the comparison between his richness and farmer poverty would act as medicine for his son's sadness. Number five, when would the son's sadness disappear? ପୁଅର ଦୁଃଖ କେବେ ଦୂରୀଭୂତ ହୋଇପାରିବ? The richness thought when his son would compare his richness with the poor farmer, his son's sadness would disappear. Number six, what would he realize? ସେ କ'ଣ ଅନୁଭବ କରିପାରିବ? After seeing the poor farmer, the son would realize how privileged he was in comparison to the poor farmers. Number seven, in which car did he take his son all around? କେଉଁ କାରରେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ପୁଅକୁ ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ବୁଲେଇବାକୁ ନେଲେ? The rich man took his son all around in a beautiful car. Number eight, what did the make his son see? ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ପୁଅକୁ କ'ଣ ଦେଖାଇ ଦେବାର ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା କଲେ? The rich man made his son see the rich condition of the poor farmers. Number nine, how did the son live in a big house? ଗୋଟିଏ ବଡ଼ ଘରେ ପୁଅଟି କିପରି ରହୁଥିଲା? The son lived like a prisoner in a big house. Number 10, what was his father telling him all the time? ତାର ବାପା ତାକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲେ? The rich man always told his son how the poor farmers were living a troublesome life. Number 11, was the father happy on his way back? Which word tell you so sad? ବାପା ତାଙ୍କ ଫେରିବା ବାଟରେ ଖୁସି ଥିଲେ କି? କେଉଁ ଶବ୍ଦ ତୁମକୁ ଏହା କହୁଛି? The rich man was very happy on his way back. The word satisfied tell us so. Number 12, the rich man happiness got double to see the poor farmers. What about his son? He was happier unhappy. ଦରିଦ୍ର ଚାଷୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖି ଧନୀ ଲୋକଟିର ଖୁସି ଦ୍ୱିଗୁଣିତ ହେଲା। ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅର କ'ଣ ହେଲା? ସେ ଖୁସି ନା ଦୁଃଖୀ? The son became sad to see the poor farmers and their wretched living condition. Number 13, who does we stand for in the line we have? We have ବାକ୍ୟଟିରେ we କାହା ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହାର ହୋଇଛି? In this line, we refers to the rich man and his family. Number 14, who are richer in having pool, the poor farmers or the rich man? How? ଜଳାଶୟ ଅଧିକାରୀ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରୁ କିଏ ଅଧିକ ଧନୀ? गरीब चाषी माने ना धनी व्यक्ति किपरि The poor farmer are richer than the rich man in having pools because the rich man has one pool, whereas the poor farmer use rivers as their pools. Number 15. What look better? The artificial lamps on the stars. Why? किए अधिक ଭଲ कृत्रिम ଆଲୋକମାଲା ନା ତାରକା ଗଣ କାହିଁକି? The stars at night look better than the artificial lamps because starlight is brighter and scattered all around the sky. Number 16. Who buy foods? किए खाद्य किणे? The rich man and his son buy food. Number 17. Who grow their own food? किए निजर खाद्य उत्पादन करे? The poor farmers grow their own food. Number 18. What does the rich man have to protect him and his family? ଧନୀ ଲୋକଟିର ନିଜକୁ ଏବଂ ନିଜ ପରିବାରକୁ ସୁରକ୍ଷା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? The rich man has walls to protect him and his family. Number 19. Who do the poor farmers have to protect them? ଗରିବ ଚାଷୀମାନଙ୍କର ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସୁରକ୍ଷା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? The poor farmers have friends to protect them. Number 20. Friends are walls. Which of these two can give someone real protection? ବନ୍ଧୁମାନେ କିମ୍ବା ପାଚେରୀ ଏ ଦୁଇଟି ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁଟି କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ପ୍ରକୃତ ସୁରକ୍ଷା ଦେଇପାରିବ? Friends can give someone real protection. Number 21. What was the feeling of the sun? ପୁଅର ଅନୁଭୂତି କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? The feeling of the sun was that they themselves are really very poor compared to poor farmers. Number 22. What did he want to do? କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା? He, the son, wanted to live with the poor farmers. Number 20. The farmer and the son look at things in different way. In other words, their attitude to life is different. Whose attitude or way of looking at things is better? ବାପା ଏବଂ ପୁଅ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଭିନ୍ନ ଭିନ୍ନ ଭାବେ ଦେଖନ୍ତି। ଅନ୍ୟ ଭାଷାରେ କହିଲେ ଜୀବନ ପ୍ରତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିଭଙ୍ଗୀ ଭିନ୍ନ। କାହାର ଦୃଷ୍ଟିଭଙ୍ଗୀ ବା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଦେଖିବାର ଶୈଳୀ ଅଧିକ ଭଲ? The son attitude or way of looking at things is better than his luxurious father. Number A. MCQS. Fill in the blanks choosing the. Number 1. The rich man along with Dex live in a big palatial building. His family. Number 2. To protect himself, he had private soldier and a bulldog. Number 3. The rich man happiness got doubled when he saw the poor farmers living in small huts. Number 4. When the son would see the poor people living in small huts, the rich man thought his sadness would disappear. Number 5. The son thanked his rich father for showing him how poor they were. Number 6. The son wanted to live with the poor farmers. Number double I. Prakash is not a rich man, but he spends a lot of money. Prakash spends a lot of money like a rich man. Number 3. The rich man was not a king, but he lived so. The rich man lived like a king. Number IV. Amit is not an actor, but he acts so. Amit acts like an actor. Number V. Usha is not a singer, but she always goes on humming. Usha goes on humming like a singer. Number A. Answer the following question in complete sentence. Number 1. Where did the rich man live? ଧନୀ ଲୋକଟି କେଉଁଠାରେ ରହୁଥିଲା? The rich man lived in a big palatial building on the top of a hill. What did he have to protect him? ନିଜକୁ ରକ୍ଷା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? He had private soldier, a great bulldog and tall boundary walls to protect him. Number 3. How did the rich man live there? ଧନୀ ଲୋକଟି ସେଠାରେ କିପରି ରହୁଥିଲା? The rich man lived there like a king. Number IV. When did his happiness get double? କେତେବେଳେ ତାର ଖୁସି ଦ୍ୱିଗୁଣିତ ହେଉଥିଲା? His happiness got double when he saw the poor farmer hut and living style. Number B. How was the son different from his father? ପୁଅ କିପରି ବାପଠାରୁ ଭିନ୍ନ ଥିଲା? The father was drawn with richness and glamour, but the son was indifferent towards richness and glamour. Number VI. Why did the rich man take his son to the poor farmers living in huts? ଧନୀ ଲୋକଟି ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅକୁ କାହିଁକି କୁଡ଼ିଆରେ ବାସ କରୁଥିବା ଗରିବ ଚାଷୀମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ନେଉଥିଲେ? The rich man took his son to the poor farmers living in huts to show him their richness and privilege compared to the poor farmers which would remove his son's sadness. Number. The son saw the poor farmers. Did he change his mind? ପୁଅ ଗରିବ ଚାଷୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲା, ସେ ତାର ମନ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ କଲା କି? The son did not change his mind to see the poor farmers. Number VIII. When did the son want to do to live with his fathers or to live with the poor farmers? ପୁଅ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲା? ବାପାଙ୍କ ସହ ରହିବାକୁ କିମ୍ବା ଗରିବ ଚାଷୀମାନଙ୍କ ସହ ରହିବାକୁ? The son did not like luxury. He wanted to live with the poor farmers.